Today I am explaining something about the ECTS. What is ECTS? Hello friends, I am your host Umair Sharik and you are watching Pakistan Online. Initially I think that I need to make this video in my language, but the problem today I am discussing in this video is not actually confined to boundaries right now. The problem is actually faced by all international students who wants to come to Europe for their higher studies. So that's why I decided to use the language which can be easily understood by all the people in every part of the world. So I use English as a medium of this, of transferring my message to you guys. So in today's video, I'm explaining about what is ECTS, European Credit Transfer System. So in this system, in this ECTS, the problem is like that how the people who are not actually completed their bachelor's from Europe, how they convert their credit into ECTS credits, because this is a problem which is faced by all the international students right now. So first of all, going into this, I'm telling you that what are the different systems existed right now in different part of the world. Like the major 3 or 4 education systems are there, like the American system, which is converted into GPAs. They give you credit hours, they give you a reward in GPAs, and then you ultimately get, when you finish your degree, CGPAs. It's called cumulative grade point average. This is what the grading system of America is like that. And majority of the countries which belong to the developing countries, like Pakistan, India, and some part of India maybe follow not the same, but actually some part of the India follow this system as well. Then some part of the India follows percentages, and some part of the India's follow this system. So and the other popular system is British system. In British education system, they are awarding the grade in percentages, and they give you the first class degree, upper high class degree, then they give you lower class honors, then they give you, and ultimately it's called fail. So this is the grading system existing in UK. So right now, the thing which is majority countries followed is actually the CGPAs and GPAs. Then now they come to the point that how you convert your credit hours and into ECTS. And before going into that, I'm adding one more thing into this, that if you talk about Germany specifically, they need a bachelor's degree of 180 ECTS, or some universities demand 210 ECTS degree. So actually, before knowing the ECTS education system and how you can calculate the ECTS system, you first need to know that how you calculate the credit hour system. Now explain you briefly about credit hour system. Credit hours is basically the contact hours between you and your professors. So it's like usually is because we are following the American education system, in basically it's 3 hours per week and 15 to 16 hours per semester in a 15-week semester. Understand this point of view. And when you convert it, simply can you take this same into the ECTS system, then over there it is 30 hours, 25 to 30 hours per semester, contact hours, workload. Because in ECTS system, European called it is workload, and it's in American system it's called contact hours. So you can make it a difference by the terminology is different, but the meaning is actually the same. So when you came to know that the credit hours is 15 to 16 contact hours in a semester, and in ECTS system it is 25 to 30 hours per semester, then you can easily get to know that how you can convert your credit hours to ECTS system. When you can see that there is a difference, is like when the credit hours is less and the ECTS system is more. ECTS credits are more. Workload in European countries are more comparatively to the countries where American education systems are followed are less compared to the European countries. So it's simple that 1 into 2, the ratio is 1 into 2. So we get to know that the that the Europeans study more comparatively the Americans study less. So the system is 1:2 or 2:1, whatever you can say it. Like if you completed your degree or your bachelor's degree, suppose with 120 credit hours, so it's simple, just multiply 120 credit hours into 2. So it's like 240 credit hours. If you are still confused about this system, you can comment me in my description box, and I will explain you. I will try my level best to explain you very well. So now, in order to sum up all these things, I just explain you a very simple rule. Then when you convert your credit hours into ECTS system, you just simply do one thing: calculate your total credit hours. It's already mentioned in your transcript. But if it's suppose it's not mentioned, so just follow the thing which I explain you. Like you need three things: per week hours you studied, per semester hours you studied, and number of weeks in your semester. You just need three things to calculate the credit hours of each subject. When you find it, just to calculate all your subjects, and when you reach and you calculate all your subjects, just simply multiply the credit hours into 2, and the amount resultantly comes is your ECTS credits. So this is how you can calculate your ECTS. So if you like this video, kindly share it and subscribe my channel. Before ending this video, I'm just telling you one thing. In the next video, I'm explaining you the German grading system, which is based upon the Bavarian formula. So stay tuned. I'll explaining in my next video about the Bavarian formula and German credit system. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.